Kevin from Superwave Laser Corporation. I want to show you our laser motor repair machines. This machine can repair the smaller size molds, tools, and also can repair bigger molds. You can see our laser head can rotary easily, and we can lock in any direction. Also, we can turn on the laser head down Z-axis, and this is X-axis, Y-axis. For repair big molds, you don't need to move the molds. We just move the laser head because the big size molds is very heavy. We can't move it easily, but we can move in the laser head. And this laser head is around 1 millimeter long, and you can take front and back. So the welding radars is very low. We can process larger size molds. And this 3D workbench. That's why it's menu. The Z-axis up and down is motorized control. And we also connect the motorized rotary jig for welding sensor or medical products. Thanks for watching.